Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Remy Ann Rivera. I am 33 years old. I am from Lang North Cotabato, Philippines. I am a college graduate with a degree of Bachelor of Elementary Education. I have almost 1 year of teaching experience as substitute teacher handling young children. Through my teaching background, I have developed strong patience, discipline, effective skills in handling kids, helping them with their homework, and ensuring their safety and well being at all times. Aside from taking care of children, I am hardworking, honest, and reliable. I am also capable of doing household chores such as cleaning, washing clothes, ironing, and cooking. I am also very eager to learn how to prepare Cantonese dishes and to adapt to your family's daily routine. If you choose to hire me, I will I promise to treat your family and home with kindness, and I will give my full dedication to my duties and to treat your children as if they were my own. Thank you very much for your time and consideration. Have a nice day, and I hope to see you soon.